Craving more comfort at home without changing your whole routine? These Amazon comfort gadgets are the kind you try once and instantly wonder how you lived without them. From cozy upgrades to small touches that make everyday life feel easier. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Say goodbye to uncomfortable period cramps. This wearable heating pad delivers soothing warmth and gentle massage right where you need it most. Cordless and rechargeable, it's perfect for use at home, work, or on the go. Adjustable heat levels let you customize comfort, while the soft, flexible design hugs your body for all-day relief. Finally, a discreet and portable way to ease pain and feel better fast. Keep your phone safe while you ride, rain, or shine. This waterproof bike phone holder fully encloses your device, protecting it from water, dust, and bumps. The touchscreen-friendly window lets you use Face ID, maps, or music without removing your phone, while 360-degree rotation gives the perfect viewing angle. Shock-absorbing silicone and a secure locking clip keep your phone steady on any road. Compatible with bikes, scooters, e-bikes, and even strollers, it's built for adventure wherever you go. Bring style and comfort together in one sofa. This 3-seater bubble sofa with a matching single seat features breathable 3D honeycomb mesh fabric that keeps you cool while you relax. Ergonomic curves and soft cushions support your back and body, making it perfect for living rooms, apartments, or small spaces. No assembly is needed, just unpack and enjoy. Anti-slip bottom pads keep it stable, so you can lounge safely and comfortably every day. So if you want a sofa that's as comfy as it is stylish, scan the QR on screen. Turn any room into a party or a relaxing escape. This disco ball diffuser rotates while filling the air with your favorite essential oils. 7 colorful LED lights set the mood, and 4 timer settings give you control over your experience. It's whisper quiet, so you can enjoy the scent and the vibe without distraction. Plus, it doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, letting you stream music while you unwind or celebrate. Turn travel or office breaks into pure relaxation. This memory foam neck pillow hugs your neck perfectly, while the built-in electric massager and heating function ease pain and improve circulation. The U-shaped design supports your head from every angle, keeping you comfortable whether you're on a plane, in a car, or at your desk. Adjustable straps let you customize the fit, and the rechargeable battery gives hours of soothing relief. Compact, portable, and perfect as a thoughtful gift for anyone on the go. So if you want travel comfort anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to achy knees after long days. This cordless knee massager combines heat and vibration to soothe pain and stiffness instantly. With 5 heat levels and 3 massage modes, you can customize relief exactly how you like it. Lightweight and adjustable, it fits comfortably on either knee for hands-free relaxation. Perfect for anyone looking to ease soreness, improve circulation, or unwind after activity. Tame your hair anytime, anywhere. This mini cordless straightener heats up fast and smooths strands with 3 adjustable temperature settings. Its anti-scald plates keep you safe while styling, and the compact design fits perfectly in your bag for travel or quick touch-ups. Rechargeable and portable, it's perfect for home, work, or on the go. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to sleek, polished hair in seconds. Tired of bloating or stomach discomfort slowing you down? This electric abdominal massager soothes your belly with gentle vibrations that help digestion and relieve tension. It targets cellulite, bloating, and cramps, making your stomach feel lighter and more comfortable. Compact and easy to use, it fits right on your abdomen for a relaxing massage anytime. A thoughtful gift for anyone who wants relief and a little self-care every day. So if you want a happier, lighter tummy, scan the QR on screen. Looking for a cozy spot to relax in style? This single sofa wraps you in comfort with a rounded backrest and plush foam cushioning. Its light pink fabric adds a soft, inviting touch, while the solid wood frame keeps it sturdy and durable. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or reading nooks, it supports you for hours of lounging. Contemporary design meets timeless comfort in a compact, space-saving package. Need a sofa that does double duty? This convertible sofa bed flips from a comfy 78-inch couch into a full 54-inch bed in seconds. Plush teddy fabric and an 18-inch thick mattress make it feel like a hotel bed, and it comes with 2 pillows for total comfort. Non-slip pads keep it stable, whether on carpet or hardwood. Compact and foldable, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, or any space where you need a smart, cozy solution. So if you want a sofa that sleeps as well as it sits, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to touching messy faucet handles. This smart basin faucet turns water on and off automatically with just a wave of your hand. The digital display shows the exact temperature, so you get hot or cold water just right every time. A bubbler ensures a smooth flow while keeping splashes to a minimum, and the sleek chrome design adds a modern touch to any bathroom. Durable copper construction means it's built to last, perfect for home or commercial use. Tired of holding your phone forever? This adjustable floor stand lets you go completely hands-free. With a flexible 18-inch arm and 360-degree rotatable holder, you can capture low, side, or overhead shots effortlessly. It stretches from 21 inches up to 69 inches, perfect for recording, streaming, or video calls from any angle. The sturdy aluminum base keeps it steady, while the wireless remote lets you snap or record without moving a finger. Take your video calls and streams to the next level. This 4K webcam tracks you automatically, following your movements with AI-powered precision. Gesture and voice controls let you zoom, pan, or switch modes without touching a button. The 1/1.5-inch sensor captures bright, sharp images even in low light, while super-fast autofocus keeps you in perfect focus at all times. With multiple modes for meetings, streaming, or teaching, it adapts to whatever you need. Your space deserves smart storage that looks good too. This bamboo chest of drawers is more than just a place to stash clothes. It works as a small cabinet, a TV stand, or even stacked for extra storage. Made from natural bamboo, it's durable, moisture-resistant, and adds a warm, eco-friendly touch to your room. Spacious compartments keep everything organized, from books to cosmetics or electronics. With its sleek finish and versatile design, it fits perfectly in the bedroom, living room, or hallway. Protect your ride in seconds. This compact handlebar lock clamps onto your grip, stopping anyone from rolling your bike away. It fits most motorcycles, scooters, and ATVs, and installs in just a moment. Made from tough aluminum and small enough for a pocket or seat compartment, it's simple security you can take anywhere. Freshness goes wherever you go with this portable mini fridge. Compact yet roomy, it stores drinks, snacks, skincare, or even breast milk safely and separately. Dual-core technology lets you cool or warm items as needed, keeping everything at the perfect temperature. A sleek touchscreen makes adjustments simple, and the tempered glass door shows you what's inside at a glance. Perfect for travel, home, or office. It keeps essentials fresh all year round. Mealtime just got easier for you and your little one. This folding high chair grows with your child, adjusting from infant recline to toddler seat with ease. Smooth wheels let you move it around, while the quick clean surfaces save you time after every meal. Soft, safe materials keep your baby comfy and secure during feeding. Compact folding design makes storage simple when it's not in use. So if you want stress-free meal times, scan the QR on screen. Peace of mind can fit right on your keychain. This personal safety alarm lets you call attention fast with a piercing siren and flashing strobe light. Just pull the pin, and the sound instantly creates a distraction when you need it most. It's small, lightweight, and easy to carry wherever you go, day or night. Designed for everyday life, it helps you feel more confident wherever your routine takes you. Helping loved ones move safely has never been easier. This 2-in-1 electric lift chair gently raises from the floor or bath, giving independence and support when it's needed most. Adjustable height and backrest keep the body comfortable and secure, while the sturdy design holds up to 308 pounds. One-touch remote controls make lifting and lowering simple, and the rechargeable battery powers multiple cycles on a single charge. Foldable and portable, it stores easily and moves between rooms without hassle. Turning daily routines into a fun game is exactly what this kids timer does best. One button starts a 2-minute brush or a quick hand-washing countdown so you don't have to guess. Bright lights guide your child from start to finish in a way that's easy to follow. Stick it right on the bathroom wall with no tools needed. It helps you build healthy habits without nagging or reminders. So, if you want kids to follow routines happily, scan the QR on screen. Nap time gets a whole lot more exciting with this cozy kid's sleeping mat. It rolls out into a soft spot with a built-in pillow and blanket, so your child feels safe and comfy anywhere. Plush fabric keeps it gentle on the skin and warm without overheating. When nap time is over, you just roll it up and carry it by the handle. Perfect for preschool, daycare, or sleepovers at home. Meal stealing ends the moment this smart feeder comes into play. It only opens for your cat, using a tiny chip or tag to recognize who's allowed to eat. You control portions and feeding times right from an app, so your pet eats on schedule even when you're away. A large food bin means fewer refills and less hassle. With backup power built in, your cat never misses a meal no matter what. So if you want stress-free feeding, scan the QR on screen. Cold air won't catch you off guard with this heated blanket wrap on your shoulders. It warms up fast, giving you cozy heat almost instantly when you turn it on. 3 heat levels let you dial in the comfort that feels best for you. The zipper design keeps it secure, so you can move around hands-free while staying warm. Soft plush fabric makes it feel like a wearable hug you'll want on all winter long. Cold floors don't stand a chance against these cozy heated slippers. Slip your feet in and feel steady warmth wrap around you in seconds. With 3 heat settings, you choose exactly how warm you want to be, whether you're lounging at home or stepping outside. The snow-resistant sole lets you walk confidently without soaking your feet. Rechargeable batteries keep the heat going for hours, so you stay comfortable wherever your day takes you. So if you want to keep your feet toasty all day, scan the QR on screen. Your desk chair shouldn't be the reason your back hurts by lunchtime. This ergonomic office chair adjusts itself to support you the moment you sit down. The dynamic lumbar support follows your movements, so your lower back stays comfortable all day. Ultra-soft 3D armrests move with your arms, keeping your shoulders relaxed while you work. A breathable mesh back, smooth swivel, and adjustable recline let you stay focused, supported, and comfortable hour after hour. So if you want a pain-free workday, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.